Hi everybody, I'm here with
Gerda. I'm Gerda.
Where are you from?
I'm from Lithuania.
And what do you think about this Milano Fashion Week?
It was really intense time, I was everywhere. I just wanted to look everything. I just wanted to get a lot of experience. I got it actually in Backstage. So I think it was... Here, I cannot explain sometimes in words because it's just like feeling,
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, so I'm feeling so in a high level.
And what about your colleagues, Italian colleagues or?
Yeah, I met a lot of Italian colleagues and also international people. I met from Mexico, from Georgia, from other countries. And it's really nice because it's like a more international event, So I just wanted to say that this place is all about connections, It's all about peoples and connections, so it's really nice to be here and meet a lot of people.
Actually, what about the collaboration between New York Makeup Academy and MBA?
Oh, it was really nice because I just got, the way how to become here, because it's really hard to find a way how to be here actually. I don't know, they have a lot of collabs with different brands, so it's really appreciated. I mean it.
Well, it's great. Okay. Can you tell me 3 words to describe your experience here in Milan?
Connections, internationals, and professionals. I mean, details, everything, it's about details, It's not about just the concept, yeah, it's about details.
Okay.
And I think fashion is about that, and also makeup.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.